Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Starling Bank Euro account. Review my usage experience. Starling Bank's Euro account offers a straightforward way to manage Euro transactions for personal and small business use. It's aimed at individuals and businesses regularly dealing with euros, offering features like easy transfers, currency conversion, and potentially a debit card for spending in the Eurozone. Their website provides details on specific features and fees. It positions itself as a convenient and transparent alternative to traditional banking methods for euro transactions. Key features likely include online account management and secure transactions. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Starling Bank's Euro account. Setting up the account was surprisingly easy. The online onboarding process was well guided, and I had my account activated within a couple of hours. The interface is clean and intuitive. I found navigating the dashboard and making transfers a breeze. I particularly like the clear display of exchange rates and transaction history. I regularly transfer funds from my GBP account to my Euro account, and the process has been consistently quick and reliable. I even needed to contact customer support once regarding a small query about a transaction, and they responded promptly via email, resolving the issue within a day. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for managing the Euro account specifically. I had to access it via the main Starling app. The standout feature for me was definitely the transparency of fees. Everything was clearly explained, and there were no unexpected charges. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Starling Bank's Euro account. It's a useful and efficient tool for managing my Euro finances. That's my overview of Starling Bank Euro account. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.